This video shares some useful language models in ComfyUI. We start from the basics. First, this is the Lava marker, which is the project name. You can also install it through the manager. It's obvious that this Lava 157B model can reverse engineer the prompts used. Then comes the second node, called ComfyUI in Nodes, which supports 4 different models. In my experience, each has its own advantages. Where's the difference? Some models want to pass the GPT test sampler. An image must be connected to produce a statement, while some models do not require it. For example, the GGUF model I use in the Surrealist art workflow doesn't need me to ask it questions. Instead, it generates prompts for me. So this is how it's applied in my absurd art workflow. The process is still being optimized, and I've integrated the one-button prompt node to increase randomness in this scene. The process will be shared within a small group later on. Then there's the Find3 Mini model corresponding to this node from Z. Confy Find3 Mini, after you install the node, it will still thoughtfully set up 2 workflows for you within this node. Here are several images generated from the workflow I used it for. This is the process using Find3 Mini 4K with CosXL. As for CosXL, it was introduced earlier. Its main feature is the ability to generate images covering the full color range from pitch black to pure white. It also offers improvements over the original XL model in terms of contrast, sharpness, composition, and diversity. The fourth one is the image to prompt node. Just as his name suggests, he can convert images into prompts and perform aesthetic evaluations. The entire page is in Chinese. Even if he isn't Chinese by birth, he's still a descendant of the Chinese people. This is the model he supports. Those interested can explore this interface for more detailed information. At the same time, I have given an in-depth introduction to this node in my previous videos. Then there's the 5th share, which is about AI tools. You can see that the author continues to keep the content updated actively. This is 1. The YouTube blogger created this node, supporting the models Llama 3 and Fan 3. I made a video before about Llama 3. I deployed ollama, used Llama 3, and combined it with Convy to generate images. Those interested can watch the previous videos. Of course, you can also check out his recommended tutorials. So far, I've listed 5, and they're all running locally. Does that mean you definitely need a powerful graphics card? Not necessarily. For example, someone like Fansen doesn't need it. So when you're using these tools, I can only teach you one simple way to judge. When you find that this language model is quite large in size, but your GPU memory is very limited, you might as well give up directly. Generally, the larger the volume, the more VRAM is required. Connecting to a language model not only has its surface-level implications, but can also enhance the level of automation in our processes to some extent. Don't you know what I mean? It's also just a simple sharing of information. Navigate to Running Property AI, or click the link in the description to register and get 1,200 coins. Logging in daily will also reward you with the 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.